Alright, a quick 90-second hack then. So this will help on all vans, most vans anyway, particularly the Renault Master, because it's got the shape of the roof is like this, and the rain gets onto the roof, comes off, rolls off the side, and finds the door, sliding door, seeps in through the gap at the top, but gets trapped on the top of the door by this seal here. I don't know if you can see it, which is great, because it means the water doesn't come in until you go open door. Then it goes, runs down, get water coming in. I've removed my panel at the moment because I'm replacing it because it got stained up by water. But quick hack, this is what you can do. I've yet to try it out in earnest, but except for I have tried it with a garden hose. So here we go, a bit of white plastic PVC. Buy it from B&Q. I painted mine silver because my van's silver. So the water runs off, comes in the channel, runs along the channel, falls away, clear of the door. Screwed on up into the van with a bead of silicone so it can't leak, and as a belt and braces, bit of draft excluder there going on the top of, so if any water does get in, it gets trapped in there and runs down, clear of not coming in the door. I've tried it with a hose. Yeah, let's try the real thing. There you go, 90-second hack.